There's a common misconception that conflict resolution or conflict management is more valuable than conflict prevention when it comes to training. I could not disagree more. If you don't understand how to prevent conflict in the first place, then you have no business moving on into learning how to resolve conflict or manage it. Now, I think the reason that this occurs and this misconception occurs is because there are so many businesses and organizations which have mismanaged conflict for so long, and it's just become out of control. It has fully blossomed, and there are conflicts raging. People are working every day, day in and day out, in toxic work environments and just feeling panicked. They don't see any way out except to just leave. And that's what's happening. So I understand where people are coming from when they say, we don't need to learn how to prevent conflict. We don't need you to come in and, like you go to the dentist and the hygienist comes in and teaches you how to brush and floss your teeth, blah, blah, blah. We don't need that stuff. What we need is for you to come in and pull these rotten teeth out and give us a root canal and fill those cavities, because we've got some bad stuff going on here. I understand that. At the same time, I would caution any organization from skipping past the conflict prevention piece, because in the future, if you don't learn proper prevention techniques, then you're going to be stuck eternally in damage control hell. And that's not a real good place to be stuck. It's terrible there, right? So in order to get past that damage control piece, you really have to go back and learn proper prevention techniques. And some of those things are so simple, and I will give you a hint that almost all of those techniques relate to communication. If you want help in preventing conflict from invading your workplace, you can contact me at BethanyWallaceCo.com.